In this video, I'll show you how to draft a sleeve using the bodice block. The sleeve length, starting from the shoulder point, down the length to the wrist. The picture on the right shows you how to take the measurements. Mark the cap height point as shown on the diagram till the underarm. Draw a line from the cap height point going down to the underarm and give it about like a 2 centimeters extra in length. As you cannot draft directly to the underarm, you got to give it a little bit allowance for ease of movement. From this point, draw a line going up, and it will be the length of your upper arm circumference. Using the point along perpendicular tool, I draw the wrist circumference, which is 19 divided by 2. I extend this line to the other side to give my full wrist circumference. Once you have all that done, then draw your side seam lines as shown on the video. Using the curved part tool, draw the sleeve head as shown on the video. Starting on the left side, you draw from the underarm to the shoulder point to the next point, which will be on the right hand side. Using the curved handles, gradually shape your sleeve head. At the back, shape a bit higher and a bit deeper in the front, as the front is deeper than the back. Now I will separate the sleeves from the bodice. Using the Moved Object tool, you select all the drawing points as shown on the video. Make sure you click all your points and then press enter, and then you can move and rotate. Press apply and OK. Now you have the outline construction of your sleeve. Use the line tool and redraw all your lines. And if you want to repeat the tool that you are using, you just press L. When you adjust your sleeve head on your bodice block, you will note that on the extracted part, it will also adjust accordingly. That is, if you find there is a problem with the shape of your sleeve or your sleeve head. Also note that you could segment your sleeve head part also to give it a more accurate shape of your sleeve head. I have not done it on this video because it takes a little bit more time. It is a little bit confusing. There are a bit of mathematical equations needed in order to do that. Now you can extract your sleeve using the detail tool and make sure that all your arrows are facing on a clockwise direction. Once you have done that, then you press OK, and then you're ready to enter your detail mode, and you'll find your sleeve pattern. In the detail mode, select your pattern piece, click on options, and then click on seam allowance, and there you can add your seam allowance. You can also go into options and add a label to your sleeve. I have a video on how you add labels, and you can follow that. And now that completes the drafting of the sleeve. And if there's anything else that you would like to know, you can comment